Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up your own local WordPress environment on your computer or on your Mac. So first thing we're going to do is install or get a copy of WordPress, which we can use, download in English. So that's the latest version, 5.3.2. Next thing we're going to need to install is something called MAMP, which is going to allow us to set up our own local web development setup on the Mac. So I already have it installed, but for you guys that don't, just press free download, then choose the Mac version. And once that's done, and once WordPress is downloaded, we're going to go back to Finder, and we're going to create some new folders. The first one, I like to do it, I like to organize it like this. I like to have a folder with sites, and then I like to have the individual sites in here. So I've got test site in here, which is the one we're going to be working on today. And the next step is to go to our downloads and copy all of the contents in the WordPress folder. And then go back to our site and paste all of the WordPress content into it. So next step after that's done is to set up the website. So we're going to have to go to MAMP. And the first thing you usually want to do is go to Preferences and check the ports. Now the ports is, I want to set the ports to something different. I'm going to set them to 889 and 888, which is default. Yep. And we also have to set up the web server. So that's going to be the folder which we use to set up the website that we're going to work on. So it's going to be this folder, test site. So just press select. Okay. And all that's left to do is start the servers. And start the servers again. Okay. Well, it is working, so let's just ignore that message. And next thing to do is go to phpMyAdmin and set up a database for the website. So let's just call the database test site database create. And all we have to do now is press localhost. Let's try that again. Localhost. Failed to open page. Okay. Let's just change these settings quickly because I think that might be the issue. Let's go 80 and 3306 and start the servers. Start again. Okay, there we go. So we've already set up the database, so all we have to do now is go to localhost. And from here, we can install WordPress. So let's install it quickly. Now we have to remember the database name which we used. And mine was test site underscore database, DB. And for username, type in root. And for password, also type in root. And leave the last two as they are. And then just press submit. And all that's left to do is run the installation. So now we'll choose a site title. I'm going to call it test site. And username is going to be username. And password is just going to be password. Email username at gmail.com. Install WordPress. You put your email there, by the way. I just did that as an example. And press login. And log in with the credentials you put in earlier, username and password. Don't save it. Well, you can save it if you want to, but I'm not going to. And there you go. You've got a fresh install of WordPress that you can work on in a local environment. And it's very snappy, very responsive, so you can get things done a lot quicker here than versus online. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and yeah, peace.